next question is, let's see, for Miss Barber, why did you want to become a nutritionist?
That's a great question. Well, I actually became one because of so many reasons. My mother was struggling with being sick. She had cancer, and I realized that so much was out of our control about, just there's so much out there that we can be nervous about. But food is one thing that we can make choices about, and what we put into our body makes a big difference. So I realized, and I was helping her too. I was trying to make her really healthy food so that she would be her best. And I realized for myself, to prevent the leading causes of death and disease in this country, so much has to do with how much you move your body with exercise, and so much has to do with how healthy the foods you eat are. So there's a lot that each one of us can do to protect ourselves from getting sick by just eating really healthy food. And that's why I wanted to study nutrition, to find out how I can help kids and people be their best by helping educate them to stay away from all that junk food that's marketed and advertised, and try to eat more Mother Nature, because Mother Nature made us foods that are good for our health and the health of the planet. And